I'm Gabriel Guglielmi, and I'm a global senior executive into the electronic industry. And I ran 4 P&L ranging from $80 to $150 million.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason why I'm here is to establish contact with private equity firms.
But you can do that, shouldn't? I mean, don't recruiters call you? Don't you know a few PE firms before this?
I knew some, but I would say what I was missing is the language to talk to them.
Oh, okay.
And I think the PE firm do not really understand the executive world language.
Yes.
And they are looking for very precise items or features from the executives.
Yes.
And what you do with your programs is really equip the executive to make that mental switch from publicly listed company to what the private equity firms need and expect from the executive.
So what would you say the outcomes have been out of spending? You've been here since noon today, it's almost 8 p.m.
Yes.
What's been the outcomes for you?
I think the outcome is that I've met a series of private equity firms, which most likely it would have been difficult for me to meet them face to face.
Yeah.
And they were interested in what I was saying.
Yeah.
And in fact, many of them want to pursue the dialogue.
Yes.
And I think that's what is unique to the conference, is that you create relationship with them and with a follow-up.
Yes, with the follow-up. How are the panels for you?
I think the panel was interesting. I think when you go through the webinar, you already learn a lot from the webinar.
That's true, yeah.
But I think here you have a kind of a diverse, it's more than one at a time. And they kind of...
Yeah, there's 5, at each of the panels, 5 PE guys at the same time, yeah.
So basically they kind of sometimes tweak a little bit the perspective.
Yes.
So I think you learn more, I believe. So it's very interesting. And I think also the topic were slightly different.
Yes.
So different angles too.
Yes, different angles,
Yeah.
that type of thing. So why would you say to an executive who's thinking of attending, why spend the money? You know, it's $1,500, $1,700 a conference. Why is it worth doing that versus just waiting for a recruiter? That's the way most execs do it.
Because it's not efficient. I think waiting for a recruiter is not efficient.
Yes.
I've done that. And I would say, I had a discussion and then they said, okay, you don't know the private equity world, thank you very much.
Got it.
That's a
Yeah.
good one.
Yeah. So you hit a great point. Private equity is looking for people who understand private equity.
Yeah, exactly.
They will put a higher ranking on that. And I've heard that before, that an executive who has some experience or can talk to that will, it'll differentiate them and help them land the opportunity.
Exactly, and I think plus I should add, all the webinar you did helps to translate what you've done into the publicly listed company, into what the private equity are really sensitive to. And that's what you do very well in the webinar, so it means that in the end you have greater impact in front of them.
Yes. So, because you have back-to-back 15-minute meetings, so you got to be very on message here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the message that they are going to listen.
Yeah. Great. Thanks for being
You're
here.
welcome.